And I've obviously gone through the whole rigmarole of try the pill, try the injection, try XYZ. And then January last year, they put me on Zoladex, which puts you into a medically induced menopause.
Mae Zoladex yn gyffur sy'n diffodd yr ovaries mwyn stopio'r corff rhag cynhyrchu estrogen, y hormone y mae Endo yn ddibynnol arno.
I was so desperate for anything to help. Honestly, in some ways it's been great.
Yeah.
I've been loving not having the crazy periods I used to have. It's definitely changed my relationship with my body and my relationship with my hormones.
At what point in your adeno and endo journey did you decide to start incorporating those things into your art?
Very, very early on, and it was a really natural journey to then make artwork about my sicknesses. For me personally, it does also just help me keep me sane.